Today I'll show you how to search a device, how to find a device using MAC address in Aruba Switch. It's actually very easy. If you should only the thing you should know the MAC address of that particular device in that which will be connected into the network into one of the switch. So I'm going to connect to the switch. Since I know the MAC address, IP address of the device, I just entered and I'm connecting now. And first, then you have to enter the username and password. Username and password, you should enter the correct one, the right username and password, otherwise it doesn't accept. So I have connected to the switch now, one of the switch. It's named P3 data switch. So then the MAC address I have to enter by the name, by the MAC, so that I'm writing, we need to write the command show MAC addresses. So this is the address, this is the command which we need to, if you need to find any MAC address of any device, this is the command. If you simply enter MAC address, you can see all the MAC addresses which is seen in the MAC address table. So this is all the MAC addresses which is saved in the MAC address table. There is a lot of MAC addresses which is already saved in the MAC address table. So, but we are trying to figure out only a particular MAC address. So the MAC address we have to enter as it is. So this is the MAC address. So either we can enter. Okay, this is the MAC address. So it's said like a two part. The first 6 digit is a one part, and second 6 digit is another two part. Second part. So you can see that it's connected to port number 23, port number 23, and VLAN 236. But you can see if you go to the port number show running, so the port number 3 you can see as it is a tagged port, so that means it's a trunk port. So you have to go to the next switch. Okay, I'm opening a new session now. So okay, next one 48. So I have opened it. Need to enter the same procedure, admin, then the password. Okay, so show running. Oh, sorry. Now we need to copy that MAC address which we have already there, so no need to enter again. So just need to copy simply that one. So we need to show MAC address, then we need to see. Now we got the exact port number of that switch. It's connected to second switch, the second one. It is connected to 236, VLAN 236, port number 3. So this is the right port we found now. So if you go to the show running, so here also tagged, port number 23 is tagged, but if you go to the VLAN 236, see VLAN 3 and 4 is tagged with untagged with that particular VLAN. So if you want to change this VLAN, it's easy now. So we need to go to config VLAN 236, we need to make sure this is the right VLAN 236. Yes. So VLAN 236, then untagged 3. Next, show running again 236. Now the port number, then 236. Oh, sorry, it's already untagged. If you want to change to some other VLAN, so we need to exit. Then VLAN 6 is there already. So as of now, the VLAN 6 I can show you. VLAN 6 now there is only 21 and 22. So now we are going to untag it. Untag VLAN untag 6. Sorry, we need 3. So untagged already. Now show running configuration. Let's see. See VLAN 6 now 3 is already untagged there. You can see that. See, it's before it was not. And if you go to the 236, see only before 3 and 4. Now only 4. This is how we can find a a device using MAC address, and we can find out the port details and everything. Port, what VLAN they have connected, what is the status, and everything we can find out. Don't forget to save the configuration. Thank you.